Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuki. If you're new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody who may be of help. So let's get right into today's equation. It's on trigonometric. The question says if sine x is equals to 12 over 13, find the value of 1 plus what? Cos x. Alright, so we have to remember the idea of what our soul was for. Okay, and remember when you have SOHCAHTOA, okay, we can simply say for so, okay, this is the what opposite, and what is below is the what hypotenuse. All right, so now I can represent this on a triangle, to help us. So there are two ways to solve this. The first way, let's see the triangle. So if I have x here, our opposite, okay, it's going to be 12. Our hypotenuse, which is this direction, is going to be what? 30. Now we have no idea of the adjacent. Okay. So one approach to solve this is we are going to solve out the adjacent and get our cos x and substitute it here. Another approach is to use this sine square x plus cos square x is equals to what? 1. You can also use this trigonometric identity to be able to solve this problem. But let's work on this and work on this quickly. So remember, our hypotenuse square from Pythagorean theorem is equals to opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. Alright, so our hypotenuse here is 13. So 13 square is equals to our opposite is what? 12 square plus we have adjacent what square. Remember, this is the hypotenuse. So 13 square means what? Okay, we have 13 times 13. Okay, this will give us 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. To add this is 6. So this is 169, which is equals to, right? Okay, so let's work on 12 square. I have 12. So this time this is 4. This time this is what? 1. This time this is 2. This time this is 2. To add it is what? 4. So this is 144 plus our adjacent square. Okay. All right. So now we have, for we to be able to get our adjacent, we want to subtract 144. Okay. 144 from both sides. So 144 minus this is going to give us what? 0. So I have 0 plus what? Adjacent square is equals to 169 minus what? 144. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 plus adjacent is going to give us adjacent square, which is equals to 25. Now we'll take square root of both sides, okay, to be able to get the adjacent. This will cancel out this, our adjacent, okay, is equals to square root of 25, which is what? 5. Okay, we've gotten our adjacent as what? 5. Now for the fact that we've gotten our adjacent as 5, we can now find what? Our cos x. Cos x. So let's find cos x. Cos x is going to be, remember we're going to use car, so adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent here is 5, divided hypotenuse is what? 30. Now this expression 1 plus cos x is going to be 1 plus what? 5 over 30, which we can just add it. Since we are plus, we can just go straight and write this. Or if you change it to improper fraction, 13 times 1 is 13, plus 5 is what? 18 over what? 30. So this is one approach. So our answer is 18 over 13. Let's quickly try this without wasting much time. Now we know that cos x is this, so I have 12 over 13 square plus we have this as cos²x is equals to 1. So this is 12 over 13 times what? 12 over 13 plus cos²x is equals to 1. So 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 13 is 169 plus cos²x is equals to 1. Okay. All right. So let's see what this gives us. We have, okay, so I have cos²x is equals to 1. Now we are going to take this across to this side. So it's going to be minus 144 minus what? 169. All right. Now I can decide to write this 1 over 1. So we can now solve this fraction. Okay. Let's solve it and see what we are going to get. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply this way. Then let's see what that gives us. So this time this, so it's 169 minus. Now we are going to cross multiply this way. Okay. This is one simple method of solving the addition or subtraction of fractions. So 1 times this is 144 divide. Now the last thing we are going to do is we are going to cross multiply the what denominators. So we have 1 times what 169 at the denominator. Okay. So our cos²x is equals to 169 minus 144. We know it's going to give us 25. So divide 169. So how do we find cos²x? We are going to take square roots of both sides. Okay. So these will cancel this. We are left with what? Cos²x. All right, which is equals to square root of this also means square root of 25 divided by square root of 169. Okay, you apply the principle of what solves. So let's see what this gives us. So we have cos² as what? Square root of 25 is what? 5. And square root of 169 is 13. Okay, because 13 times 13 will give you 169. 5 times 5 will give you this. Now that we've gotten cos²x, we'll input it here. So 1 plus what? Cos² is equals to what? 1 plus what? 5 over what? 30. Okay, so this we can still write when you have, if you have a number, a whole number adding to a proper fraction, you can simply join it and remove this. So we have this expression as one whole number, 5 over 13. Okay, which we can as well write as what? 13 times 1 is 13 plus 5, we have as 18 over 30. So this gives us the same solution as the previous one. So it means this is the solution to 1 plus cos² when sine x is 12 over what? 30. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody that can be of help. Remember, sharing is what? Caring. Bye.